Hi, today I'm with new Vivo Y17 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. You could add here more applications just by click here to this plus icon and select the another apps which you want to add. Then just tap on the right upper corner to done, and that's it. If you want to just remove the application from here, you should just hold and drag it to your home screen. Also, you could click to this plus icon and to unselect the applications which you want to remove. You could also rename the folder. Just tap once on the name and here enter the new one, for example the apps, and tap to OK. If you wanna just move folder on the screen or between the screens, hold and drag it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.